Hi, I'm Todd Langwell, the Flying Furniture Guy from R&D Woodshop in Scotia, New York. Today I'm going to show you how to get nail polish off furniture. I like a product that's called Goof Off. What you're going to do is you're going to apply it to the rag first. You're going to saturate your rag. You're going to rub small circular motions. Now, Goof Off isn't going to damage your furniture. It's going to remove that nail polish right on off of there. Give it a little pressure. The reason we're not using nail polish remover is because nail polish remover would remove the finish of the furniture. You can see here that with just a little application, a little time, it removed all of the nail polish. Even after all of these processes, you're going to have a slight mar left in the finish. That's from the fingernail polish. What it's done is it slightly removed the top layer of finish. Bottom line is that you don't want to get nail polish on your furniture. Put down some newspaper if your daughter's going to do it at the dining room table. I'm Todd Langwell, the Flying Furniture Guy from R&D Woodshop, and this is how to remove nail polish off furniture.